Today we are unboxing Weldpro's 200 amp ACDC TIG. Let's see what's inside.
Sorry, we had camera failure, so we missed the initial unboxing. Here's the box that it came in. Well built, the clamshell packing foam the welder was in. I have to confess that we had this completely set up and was playing with it prior to this video. The rocker pedal, CK Worldwide Flex torch, number 17 flex head, our stinger for stick welding with a DINS 35 connector, the cover for the torch to keep it clean, the ground clamp, argon hose with nice crimped ends, our flow meter, and our consumables. Call it body, number 4 cup, 6 cup, and a 5 cup. 2 tungstens, our end cap, stubby end cap. The Weldpro machine comes equipped with a 220 plug and the plug to convert it to 110. The machine has a very nice, slick design. DINS 35 connectors, the port for your torch, inside components, the control panel, easy to use, single knob, push buttons, and both of the manuals for the torch and the machine.